How to import a PDF in your Word document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can import a PDF file in Word document. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So after you're on your Word document, what you'll have to do is you'll see on the ribbon side the insert option. Head over to the insert option and there you should find the text file. Text area right here, simply tap on this, and now what you'll need to do is if you want to import an icon of the PDF, simply tap on the object option. From here, head over to create from files and then tap on browse. Now if you want to link that icon to that very PDF, choose this. Tap on browse, and from there now you can head over to that very PDF. So I'll just do this, or just do this here, and if I tap on insert and then OK, there you will see this icon being inserted. Now what if I want the content of that very PDF in this PDF, I mean in this Word file? This is what I do. Again, head over to this drop down option and there you will see text from file option. Tap on that and now simply head over to the location of that file, I mean the PDF, and then tap on insert. After you do that, you will have just entered that file or that PDF in this Word document. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.